Hi, my name is Valeria and my team and I are going to talk about the saving sense of water, electricity and gas. I'm going to give a short introduction, then Lilian is going to talk about the good things about saving water, gas and electricity, then Gabby is going to say the problems and causes, and then Alicia is going to give the solution. As we all know, in the last past year has been a recent increase the concentration of greenhouse gases, the pollution and water shortages because of the lack of ignorance in our families. It's important to know that the light represents the third part of electricity consumed in our homes. And the water is necessary and essential for life, and also the gas is a non-renewable energy source. And because of that, we must be aware and fight every day in our homes to improve these conditions. We believe we can make this situation by driving the families through certain measures to save the gas, the electricity and the water, especially in these times of when many people have the economy weak and coupled with the environmental pollution it produces. The cost of these services have been increased in the past years, and the companies that manage this service have been taking advantage of ours because we all need water, electricity and gas, and because of that the bills come with higher charges that sometimes we don't even know why we are paying that kind of money. So by teaching all the families to save in these services, we not also help the environment and the planet, we also help the economy in our families. We are going to give the task of finding the information you need to save these services in the home of every family. It's important to start in the family to follow around, to promote this culture and make it clear of each member.
There are a lot of good things about saving water, energy and gas, because we not only help the planet, we help our families too.
Care and save the resources in some another way. Our health will get better because it takes water to live. The human body is made of 19% of water. We also use the gas for cooking and we take electricity, for example, to adapt the climate. Water is one of the most common resources in the earth. 97% of earth water is top salty or polluted. 2% are underground to reach. That leaves only 1% in clean drinking water. Since we have a high supply of fresh water we need to conserve it. Polluted water can be to swimming, eating, water crops, or providing habitat for animals or plants.
The problem of electricity. Electricity is one of the most powerful forces in our lives. As a matter of fact, it can even kill you. The most vital part of electricity is called electric energy. Scientists discover ways to produce electrical energy in large amounts in order to make health, life, and motion. Their discoveries have improved our life greatly for many of us. It will be difficult to picture what we would be like without electricity. What are some of the problems with electrical and fossil fuels? One of the most common ways to produce electricity is through the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. When fossil fuels are burned, they release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which leads to acid rain and global warming. There are big problems for our environment.
Here are some tips that help you to save water. Share these tips with your family. Number 1. Wash your hands quickly. Turn off the water while you soap your hands. Number 2. Brush your teeth wisely. Turn off the water while you brush your teeth and save 4 gallons. Number 3. Flush only when it's necessary. Put paper, insects, and other stuff in the trash rather than in the toilet. Take a fast shower. If you take a shower in 5 or 10 minutes, you can save a lot of gallons per month. Here are some tips
you can use to save energy. Share with your family. Number 1. Turn off the lights when you are not using them. Number 2. Turn them off the TV, the CD, the DVD player, and other small appliances use electrical energy. Number 3. Respect the fridge. When you don't know what you want to eat, don't open. Number 4. Use the light of the sun when it's necessary. Number 5. Turn down the heat. Set your thermostat to the lowest temperature.